Alright, we're here at Tower 2, I believe.
Tower 2.
This is the Caribe Royale Resort here in Orlando, Florida. Got more Otis Elevonic 411s with Series 1. Got this one.
You want to hit the button?
Alright, let's go to 1. Here a cabbie going down. Same cabs as the other tower we've been at so far. They're nice though. Let's go with that. There's a front for security. Electric directory map or whatever that is, or a billboard.
Advertising.
Floor indicator capacity starting 100. This is elevator 5. Series 1 buttons. Yeah. Series 1 buttons, certificates, dusty phone.
That's it right here. Phone box is falling off.
Yeah.
Alright, my cabbie time. Hello, hello.
Here are about 10. We can switch up here.
That'll be it. I'll wait here for you.
Alright, I'll ride another car. Alright, here we have a Wild Will just chilling out on the sofa there.
Hello, hello.
And now let's go ride a different elevator. All 4 of these cars are all on the same controller, as you can see. Get a view of the guest floor while we're waiting. We'll get a view out. Same view as the other tower, but a different angle, basically.
Run, Alex, run.
And we have an elevator. Too bad the chime doesn't work. Alright, let's go to 1. Here a cabbie in this elevator going down. Like I said, these are pretty nice cabs. One of these have been renovated at one point, but I'm not sure. There's a frame for security. Floor indicator, capacity is starting 100. This is elevator 8. Series 1 buttons, certificates, and your dusty phone. Back up to 10. Unfortunately, door close does not work. Here are 10. A little bit of classic love light, but not much. Alright, there it goes, and that'll be it for this tower.